I highly advise that you go to kanjicoder/aim35 to check out this code, but I will try my best to go over all of the deltas right now, so let's frickin' do this. Okay, F2. Okay, so we have added these prefixes to all of the code, right? So web page is now D web page, right? All these different MIME types have a D in front of them, and they are also changed to lowercase. The state object bundle has been moved to the top of the file, right? Let's go down here. We have a not node section for any variables that are top level, globals that are not node.js. So these are the client side canvas and the client-side WebGL library. Let's go down here. We don't have any shared data that is both on the client and the server yet. We have a master declaration section for different libraries, right? So we have the file system, we have the URL, and we have the query string, which are no longer lib in all capital prefix. It just has a L prefix in front of it now. Now down here, I thought this was a bad idea, but I still marked it here to make sure that nobody ever makes a section like this. All of the function sections will be prefixed with func. Okay, the error function has a little guard on it so that when it executes in Node.js, it doesn't try to make an alert window pop up because Node.js doesn't have an alert window. All right, so down here, we have made a custom nil type. So if a string starts with open brace, NIL, close brace, then it is a custom nil type, which is going to help us detect when we have a null pointer exception. frescan, this is the resize canvas function, which the name has been refactored. These names right here have been refactored. This is the client initialization code. All of this code probably should look familiar. We've put it in a function now, and this has changed as well. We have just changed the name. This is where we register the event listener for the window resize. There is a F in front of this now. We made a note that it has been refactored because now it is DWGL, and I think that was it. No, there's these other sections. These previous sections, we're going to delete them. Make a note to delete them in tutorial 42. And then here is all of the code where we were initializing the front end in this client front end section. We've slightly renamed the section name, and now there is just one function call. Then in the server side code, it's pretty much the same, except for that state object bundle initialization is a little bit different. Down here, we have I, air, and I cough instead of just air and cough to be more consistent with our input variables. Yeah, that's about it. Okay, later.